In the summertime, I love is a no-cook, all-in-one bowl dinner. It's just fantastic. It just beats the heat. So one of the things I love to eat in summer is rice salad, especially when the rice salad's also got some meat in it. This has got, in this case, I've got some roast pork. You can use ham. Then we've got the rice. We've got the beans. We've got vegetables. This is a meal in a bowl. It's really easy to make. And this is Tex-Mex Cowboy Rice Salad. It's absolutely delicious. Yeah, that's cowboy style. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, to make our Tex-Mex Cowboy Rice Salad, well, we have the salad ingredients, which is 2 cups of cooked rice. You can use brown rice, white rice, any kind of rice will do. Here I have about 18 to 20 mini tomatoes, which have been cut in half. A half a pound of roast pork. This is roast pork from my local deli. Half a pound or 230 grams. You could also use ham, just chopped up into like cubes or nice pieces chopped up. Here we have one 15-ounce can of black beans, which have been rinsed and drained, and a 15-ounce can of corn kernels, also rinsed and drained. And then we have here 2 red bell peppers, which have been chopped up. Here for the dressing, we have a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 clove of garlic, which has been crushed. So let's get out a big salad bowl. And first, let's make up the dressing. We're just going to put everything into the salad bowl. In goes the vinegar. The mayonnaise, going to need a little help here from a little rubber spatula. Put that in there. And while we're at it, let's get this garlic in there. And then just all the powders and the salt. All right, and then what we're going to do is just give that a whisk. Whisk that up. Just to combine it, bring it all together. All right. And then, this is so easy to make. You know, we just got first we'll toss in the rice, because especially if you're using a stickier rice like I am here, if you're using brown rice or regular white rice, it's going to break up quite easily. But this sticky rice tends to stick, so I'll run it around inside here first. Kind of break it up with the dressing. All right, now just toss in the rest of the ingredients. In goes the peppers, the pork, pork or ham. Get in there. All right, and tomatoes, the black beans, and the corn. All right, see, this is it. That's all there is to it. Just mix it up now. So now I just kind of take this, mix it around, mix it until everything is evenly distributed and combined. Everything's coated with some of that dressing. And there we have it. Look at that. Tex-Mex Cowboy Rice Salad. Easy to make, delicious, a great summer's evening meal. It's not just a salad, it's a meal in a bowl. Enjoy. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for Tex-Mex Cowboy Rice Salad on our website. So go print out the recipe. Have fun making and eating this great summer's evening meal, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.